Hi everyone, I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEM activities. I've been sharing how to make 4 different types of Christmas cards for a few weeks now. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas card with beads. Follow me and make your own Christmas card. Let's get to it. The materials we need today are paper, string, awl, scissors, foam board, beads, and some materials to decorate your card. Fold the paper in half. Draw a shape you want. I am going to draw a Christmas tree. Draw lines at 1 cm intervals. Place your card on the foam board. Punch both ends of all lines with an awl. Erase lines with an eraser. Tie a knot and let the string go through the first hole. From now on, I'm going to sew the beads one by one. It goes like this. Okay then, let me go a little bit faster. I will put bells on the bottom row. Tie a knot and cut out the remaining string. I will put a star to the top of the tree. Done! Let's make one more card. This time, I'm going to draw a Christmas ornament. Draw a circle. Draw lines and punch both ends of the lines. Erase the lines with eraser. Sew the beads. Tie a knot and cut out the remaining string. Wow, it's pretty! Glue a ribbon on the card. We are done! Today, I made Christmas card with beads in the shape of Christmas tree and a Christmas ornament. What shape do you want to make? Create your own card with your own design. And share your work with us by sending me an email. This is for today. Try it at home and tell me how you go by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye!